actually a musical center where people come here for the music, art and dance, and at the same time you have an extremely, it is an authentic food you get here, and it is for 10 to 15 days. It started on 16th and it is till January 1st. From morning breakfast till night dinner, you have everything, meals, idli, dosa, appam, tat idlis, then you have so many varieties, vades, ades, coffees, so many things. Everything is so authentically made. So this is like an exhibition or a stall or a fest, you can say. You can come and visit this place for the extremely yummy food. One must definitely try this, and you can enjoy the music also at the same time. So let's have a look.
left side la irupa edula
What is Pesaretta?
Andhra Pesaretta.
Okay, Andhra Pesaretta. நீங்க வந்து போன் உங்க போன் நம்பர் ஏகமா யார நல்ல போன் எடுங்க பையா இங்க வாங்க எடுக்குவாங்க May I know your name? May I know your name?
The artist name?
Your name?
Nothing.
So how was your dance performance?
எப்படி இருந்ததுன்னு கேக்குறாங்க.
எப்படி இருக்கு உங்க டான்ஸ்
பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ்? நல்லா பிராக்டீஸ் தான் சொல்லணும்.
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. எவ்வளவு நாள் பிராக்டீஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க?
கொஞ்ச நாள் தான். இன்னும் பிராக்டீஸ் தான் பண்றேன். இனிமே தான் ஆடுவேன்.
ஓகே ஓகே. டிசம்பர் ஜனவரி 1 வாட்டி வாடுறீங்க?
வாங்க.
ஓகே. உங்க பேரு?
நர்த்தகி நட்ராஜ்.
ஓ, ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
Thank you.
She is one of the biggest chef in Chennai. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Heba Subramanian from Home Cooking. Hi. Hello everyone. I'm Heba Subramanian from Home Cooking. So it's wonderful to be here. Come for a nice evening dinner, and I think you're going to really enjoy this.
Have you been here earlier?
Yes, this is the third time we're coming here actually.
Oh, that's great. And how do you feel the food here?
Oh, it's lovely. It's very tasty, and that's why we're coming back again and again.
Oh, that's nice. Even I heard of it, and my daughter brought me here. And nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Thank you so much, and all the best in future.
Thank you. Wish you the same.
Thank you.
બીજું કઈ નહીં ખાવું
So I'm just really, I had a great time here. You can just get the authentic Iyengar food. That is the authentic. They don't use any sodas or anything. The typical authentic sambar, dosa, idli, appam. You get so many things. You have meals a day. Extremely yummy meals you get here. And this exhibition or the fest is for 15 days. It is till January 1st. You can come here and enjoy. It starts the morning 8 o'clock and ends by night 10 o'clock. You can come any time of the day and you can enjoy here. So I truly had a nice time. People of South India, they love music, art, dance. It is close to their heart, music. So they have the exhibition as well as the shows here of the dance program. And the food is yummy. One must definitely try, because this comes only once in a year. You have 6 centers of this same thing, but you get the authentic. Taste might vary, but this place has a very yummy food. You can just come here and enjoy, have a great time. See you in my next video.